Welcome, I am Steffen Negli, Product Manager of Wachendorf Automation. In this video I will show you how you use the one-click option to change a universal IE encoder to a PROFINET or EtherCAT encoder. For the demonstration I use the WDJA85F, the most compact encoder with PROFINET and EtherCAT. Let's start with the connection. We need a computer with network interface, a power supply to power the encoder, and the correct cabling. First we connect the Ethernet cable to the network interface of the computer. Then we connect the other end to the encoder, either port 1 or port 2. After that, we connect the power cable to the middle connector. The power supply was set correctly before and switched on. Therefore, the link activity LED and the mod LED will start to light up or blink. Now, please check in your network settings that you applied a valid IP address to your network interface. In this demo we use 192.168.1.5. If the settings are correct, you can close the settings window and open the web browser of your choice. We now open the encoder's website. Therefore, we use the default IP address of the encoder. It's 192.168.1.127. We change the language to English. You now see we are on the protocol selection side. Here we have a small description how this installation works. In this demo we install the PROFINET protocol. Therefore we click on the PROFINET logo. A message appears which asks us if we want to install the PROFINET protocol. If we are sure, we click OK. By doing this, the installation will start automatically. After the installation, we have no choice to change the protocol again. So we are sure and click OK. We see that the encoder is transferring the firmware from the internet to the encoder. Therefore, you need an active internet connection with your computer. Now, it's updating the flash. There's a hint, do not switch off the device, this is very important. Update process is now running. This takes some time, we will shorten that in this video. After the successful installation, you get a message on the website. Now you can integrate your device into your PROFINET network. Just for your information, the encoder has now no IP address any longer to stick to the PROFINET rules. If you need an IP address, you have to use your commissioning tool to assign an IP address to the encoder. If you have no internet connection available during the installation of the protocol, you have the possibility to get the needed protocol file via email in advance from our support team. Therefore, we now show you how to install the protocol manually. Due to the fact that the connection and the network settings are the same like the one-click installation, we start by entering the IP address of the encoder into the web browser. It's 192.168.1.127. We change the language to English. As we can now see, we are on the protocol selection page, but we also get the hint that we have no internet connection. Therefore, there are no protocol logos and we can't install them automatically. So what we will now do is we click on Manual Firmware Update. You get the Manual Firmware Update section. We click on Search. Here we choose the file we got sent from the support. The name can be different on your side. After we've chosen the file, we click on Open. make sure that you choose the right file. After that, just click on Update. You see it's transferring the firmware to the encoder. Now it's updating the flash, and we get the hint: do not switch off the device. This is very important. Now the installation process is running. This will take some time, which we will shorten in this video. After the successful installation of the protocol, you get the message on the website. Now you can integrate the device into your PROFINET network. Just for your information, the encoder now has no IP any longer due to the protocol rules. If you need to assign an IP address to the encoder, just use your commissioning tool. I hope you liked the video. If you have any further questions, please contact me or my colleagues. The contact information will be shown in a second or under wachendorf-automation.com. Thanks for watching, stay tuned.